her closest challenger, Andrea Rothfuss. Not many people have the recipe of how to stop this young lady, Marie Bochet, the 29-year-old. Germany has managed it on several occasions, noticeably in Tarvisio. Couldn't put a gold medal winning run together in Pyeongchang, but when we were in Italy last in 2017 for these World Champs, she had the better of Bochet in both the slalom events. But here in the Super G and the downhill yesterday, Bochet is leading the way. 1.34 the difference between Rothfuss and the French whiz. Closed the gap though, neat through intermediate section 2. That's good stuff. Just the use of the single pole. Oh, she drops time in the bottom half. 1:11.43 in the end. She closed the gap